Hey, Aiden. Hi, Aiden. Introduce yourself.
Hi guys, today I'm making watermelon.
Today you are planting. He said he's planting watermelon. Don't make them drop on the ground, as you're not going to find them. Put all of them in your hand.
3 in my hand.
Wait. And you're gonna, let me show you. You're gonna show Aiden how to plant watermelon. It's only that, that's it. They didn't put nothing in the bag. Oh no. So we only have how many, Aiden? Tell him how many watermelon. How many water?
7.
7 watermelon.
We're gonna have that.
We're gonna put one right here. Look, Aiden.
I dropped one.
Okay, it's okay. Come.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, it's okay. Oh, right here. Yeah. So, okay, take one.
Wait. This one.
There's the hole. There's the hole. There's one hole. There's another one. There's another one. Did you put any over that one?
Yep.
You put one in that one already?
Yep.
Okay, there's one other one.
2 more left.
How many?
2.
Mm-hmm.
Is that all?
You already put everything in there?
Is that all?
Mm-hmm. Then you're gonna cover it.
There's one more.
Just put it anywhere. You can put it right here. Put it right there.
I'll just eat it.
No, just put it right there. Aiden, put it right there. Mm-hmm. Yep. And then cover them up. Not too deep. Yep. Cover that one up too. Not too deep. Cover the other one up. Not too deep. You cover all of them. Did you cover everything?
Yep.
Okay, let's get your water and we're gonna water it in. Let me get your bucket of water. Let's go. Heavy? Sorry. And then you're gonna come like this. Look, you water it in. Okay.
And the soil's wet.
You gotta get them seed germinate. Gotta
Gotta
get
make
those
the
seeds
soil wet so we can make it.
so it can germinate.
If the soil's not wet, we can't make watermelon or anything.
Can't grow watermelon.
Nothing. We won't be able to grow. Not a single thing. But if you just have water and you don't have plants or a seed, you can't make a plant.
Or you can't grow a plant.
You can't make a plant or grow it.
God make it, so you just gotta grow it. And that's baby Aiden. What you need to tell them?
My name is not baby.
Oh, sorry.
My name is Big Boy Aiden.
His name is Big Boy Aiden. He said his name is not Baby Aiden. His name is Big Boy Aiden. So what you need to tell them? Come back and you give them the update on the watermelon, right?
Yes.
I have the flowers for you, Aiden. Those are potatoes, sweet potato. There you go, baby. Aiden.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I love you. As always, thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.
I'm gonna put it in the water so it can grow.